The ideal company that I would love to work for, one that would put emphasis on family values, customer service, product service, and how they treat their employees. Now, these are all important. I've worked in retail for about 4 years, but one of the most important things I learned, if you treat your employees well, then they will work harder, and everything you say to do, everything will run a lot more smoothly. Now, your customer is your number one priority just because they're the ones buying the product. Now, with so many different retailers, you have your Walmarts, your Targets, your Bed Bath& & Beyonds, your Michaels, your Home Goods, and most of them carry similar products. How you're going to differentiate, even if your product's not better than theirs, if your service you offer is better, they will come to you. Now, customer service is all about providing service with a smile, being knowledgeable about the product, and really just making them feel like they're not only a consumer, that they're part of your family. I've seen, as far as with family values, I've seen a lot of companies, corporations stray away from this just based on my experience. I talked to an older lady who works at Target for 20 years. She raved and raved about how the previous CEO just so big on family values. I feel like now it's more about making money. You can get back to what made people great. For Sam Walton, for example, people loved him. People wanted to work hard for him. That's something that you don't see in many people. Someone who can inspire other people and make them feel like they have value and meaning in the company, not only that they're just a number. I think ideas from any, no matter if you're at entry level or you're a tenure management, should always be considered when the question arises, how do we increase sales, or how do we make everything look presentable, or any problem that needs to be solved. Now, if your employee tells you, they just started there 5 months and they tell you, hey, I think this is the best way to fix it, and they work in that area, you should at least give them some consideration. Also, just the culture. People who are smiling, people who want to work, people who want to be there. Some cases it's not rare, you just have to find it. People say when they go to Walmart, no one offers to help them. They always have a frown. That's something that can be changed by your manager, by your district manager, even higher up than that. It's like you're climbing a 12-step ladder. You climb each of the rings with your hands. If two or three of them are broken and you miss that step, there's a good chance that even if you hit the bar, that you still might fall and hurt yourself. Each part of the ladder has to be very powerful in order to hold your weight. I think as far as culture, it can be fixed. As far as customer service, product service, it can be fixed. We should all have to get back to the roots about what people love about retail and what makes it great. And I think, wherever I go, that's what I bring culture, be positive. Whatever problem you face, don't see it as, oh, if I fail, it's just going to look bad on me. See it as an opportunity to get better, an opportunity to learn something new, or to really see what's your strongest skill and what are your weakest skills, something that you may need to work on either on a weekly basis or a daily basis. See where everyone else's strengths and weaknesses lie too. Really work as a team, push teamwork. Very one team, one dream is something that I've had constantly drilled in my head, and it's true. We all have the same goal, and if we all work together, there's nothing that we can't accomplish. But for now, just very family oriented, very good with their employees. That's somewhere where I would be looking at work. I'm working at Sam's now, and that's somewhere that they really kind of push that. That they're really, work together, we can get it all done. Target somewhere that I worked before, it really was very great about that. Like, we're all working as a team. If you can't do it, then let me come help you because I'm done with my work. Or if we do this together and finish this, then we can finish the task I was going to do. Because we can only do so much as an individual. That's why we have teams, that's why we have managers, that's why we have leaders, to make each other better, not to bring each other down. And that culture of positivity will only help increase sales. It'll make customers really the great experience that we're all looking for to make them come back and say, hey, even though I have to drive 10 minutes, it's worth it because the service here is so great and these people are always so great.